I'm so excited to bring you this group of fabrics, and I know I'm always saying that, but they're just beautiful fabrics. They really are. One of the color combinations we did for Saturday last week was raspberry and lavender, and so I've put these colors together and then actually fabrics that bridge them together, because that's what's coming in new for spring. They're all at $14.99 and $19.99 today and tomorrow only. Then they'll go to their regular price. But let me show them to you. They're just stunning. They're really beautiful. First off, we have a viscose. Now this viscose is, the drape on this is beautiful. And when I say drape, somebody said, what do you mean by drape? Drape is how dense the actual fiber itself is. It doesn't have anything to do, every fiber can be dense. Every weave could be dense, but it's the fiber itself, it's how high the twist is. And so what that means is they're packed in closely together, both the weft and the warp, and so there's a lot of pivot points, and pivot points mean that the fabric can drape beautifully from any point. So I'll show you some differences here in a minute, but this is 100% viscose. The colors are just incredible. You can see all the spring colors going through there. It's a black background. The drape is incredible. Beautiful piece of fabric, 100% viscose. We don't have a lot of quantity on that one. This is a linen. Linen has more space in there. You can see it. And so the drape is not as good as linen. What that means is we want to give it into a pattern where we give it more direction. The crop jacket is perfect. There's no gathers. There's no, it would just work beautiful in a crop jacket. Or what we want to do, is wash it in the Coca-Cola. Buy a little extra, allow for a little bit of shrinkage, and just wash it and wash it and wash it until it softens. And then you get that beautiful drape that you get out of linen. This is a beautiful piece of fabric, and we've got that at a great price. This particular fabric I put in because scarves are everywhere. Scarves are just incredible. This is got all the spring colors in there and has them together. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. It's a cotton poly. It's got I don't know what the percent is. I burned it, and it doesn't have that much poly, but enough that. But anyway, the drape on this, again, fluid, because that polyester fiber can be twisted very highly. We get great drape out of our polys, and so they're beautiful. It'd be a beautiful blouse as well, and both sides are usable, and so that's why I said scarf. But again, blouse, skirt would be gorgeous in this. We look at this next piece, and this is actually a woven fabric, but you can see that what this has is both the burgundy and the lavender. It has both colors in here now. It also has black, and it's on a milk background. It's kind of got a little hot pink in there. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. This is a woven, so this would be the weight of a crop jacket. A pair of pants would be great in that. Little gathered pair of pants would be lovely with a jacket that's like this raspberry color, or the lavender. They both go beautifully together. This next piece is a cotton poly. It has one side that is sheen, one side that is matte. It's got a little crepe finish to the back side. It is a cotton poly, but look at the color. Isn't that beautiful? It's just beautiful. Throw in a scarf like that to wake it up, and you've got that raspberry and lavender together that are just gorgeous together. Look at the mix is just beautiful. If I bring this one over, that works as well. It picks up the tones in this. And then I put this in because I just love this. This little gingham. It's 100% cotton. It's a gingham. It's only $14.99. But to do a dress, a skirt, a blouse, you could do so many things with it. A jean jacket would be adorable. And use the bias. It's not an expensive fabric, so play with the bias on this. The bias would be just absolutely stunning on this, and just a great fabric. So there you have it, our raspberry and lavender combination. Great prices, beautiful fabrics. The goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.